Hello guys, my name is Jaypratap Singh and welcome to this tutorial, Java tutorial. Today we are going to learn variables in Java. So variables are used to store data in a program. This is a way to make the computer to this is a way for computer to remember um, some data, to store some data in memory. Okay, so let me show you. So basically what uh, a variable needs means how we can define a variable in your program. So the two things a variable needs, basic two things, are a name of variable and a data type of variable, and then we have to assign some value to that variable also. So here I'm creating simple variable of type int my variable. Well, it's confusing. Okay, let me make it simple. A equals to 10. So what I did here, I just created variable of name A and of type int is a data type, and I assigned a value that is 10 to A. Okay, this is the assignment operator which gives the value 10 to A, and A is of type int. Okay, so this is the type of variable, and how we will use that variable, let me show you. System dot out dot println. Where is println? Okay, let me put this one. Now I am printing value of A. Let's try to run this program, see what happens. I ran this program and I got value 10. Okay, that means I assigned a value 10 to A variable of type int, and here I try to print that value. So while printing I got the output 10. Okay, this way we can create very different types, like here I have created int type. Now let's try float type. Float. Now here I am creating floats, so I need to give mm, value in points, like in decimal points. Okay, 10.5. Float distant. What kind of error is it? Precision required. Float found double. Okay, let me try to run this. 1.0, yeah, it's showing 1.0. So what is the difference between float and a double is, like, float uses 32-bit to store some value, and double uses 64-bit. It's mm, double to float. Okay, it uses double memory space float. So let's put double here, double here, and let me put 1.6. Now when I print, I found the same value, but it uses large memory space. If you want to store a large number, so that for that we use double. Now create a variable a of character type. So for that I need single quote, and in that I can give my character. So I have given p as my character to a, and I'm printing. Let's try to run, see what happens. So the value p is printed out. Okay, so this way we can create int, float, double, and char type of variable. Now let's try with string. String. Now here I am creating a string. So for string we need to give double quote. This is the way to identify a character and a string. We need to give a string in a double quote and a character in single quote. So I'm giving and when I try to run this, it will print this is my first program. Okay, so this is a string which prints uh, the value which is written in double quote. So here a variable storing string type value. And now let me tell you about something about naming convention, variable naming convention. A variable name should start with a letter. It cannot start with a digit. If you try to start a variable name with digit, it will show error. Okay. So keep in mind, you should start a variable name with a letter only. It can be uh, small letter or capital letter, and after a letter you can give numbers as well. There's no problem. Okay. This error was coming up because I have given different name. If I'll give 1 2 here, this will go away. Okay. Now next thing is that uh, a variable name can contain only one special character, that is underscore. Okay, that you can give, no problem. But if you try to give some other characters, special character, it will show an error. Okay, so you should keep in mind that variable name should be it should not contain special character other than underscore. And one more thing, the name should be more logical. Like here for an example I have given a variable name, but while you are working in a project, in an enterprise project, you should give logical names like my variable. Variable, this kind of my car speed, my variable, and employees, that kind of variable name should be selected, that the, which are more logical than a b c mfg. They are very difficult to remember, you know, they can create conflict in your program. So name should be more logical. And one more thing, that's it, nothing else needed. Okay, so for now it's okay, and in next tutorial we learn a few more interesting things. Till then, take care, bye bye.